So this year in crypto has been nuts. It's like we're exploding and then boom, tariffs knock us down. We shake that off, we get back up, ready to go again, and then boom, war, knock us back down. But I do believe that everyone that's able to keep their emotions in check is going to win and is going to make a fortune this bull cycle. Remember though, nothing here is financial advice. I can always be wrong, so make sure you guys do your own research. Before I get into the video and start talking about Zbcn, because there's some very interesting things that's going on with Zbcn and the price action, so I want to talk about all of that in today's video. Before I do that though, if you're looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first-time deposits, extra bonuses up to $10,000, no VPN, no KYC. If you're someone that trades using leverage, you get to use up to 500x leverage. The link will be in my description down below for anyone that is interested. But getting into the video here, if we check out the crypto bubbles, we can see that it's a nasty red day in the market. And this is due to war escalations. If we check out the fear and greed index right now, anyways, it's saying that we're still in greed. Let's see what happens in the next 24 hours. I have a feeling this might go down a little bit, but we'll see how things actually play out. All this being said, red day in the market, maybe the fear and greed index will pull back a little bit. Doesn't matter because there's still reason to believe that the bull cycle is only getting started. So check this out. The crypto bull run has 5 catalysts to support continued momentum. The first one, Bitcoin has strong technicals and fundamentals. Everybody obviously knows that. The second one, Ethereum ETFs are surging. So check this out. Spot Ethereum ETFs have recorded inflows for 5 consecutive weeks, adding over $1.2 billion in assets and bringing the cumulative total to $3.7 billion. This trend may reflect growing investor confidence that Ethereum will continue to climb. And the third reason here is altcoin ETFs are coming 1,000%. So the odds of spot altcoin ETFs are also rising, which could further fuel the market. Polymarket data shows that approval odds for an XRP ETF have jumped to 88%, while Solana have risen to 90%. Other potential approvals will be Litecoin, Hedera Hashgraph, and Sui. These approvals will likely lead to more inflows from Wall Street investors, pushing prices higher. Absolutely. Number 4, Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Everyone is still waiting on this one, obviously. That's to be expected. And then the fifth one here, trade tensions could ease. So there's a lot of reasons to continue to be bullish on the market, even though, there's war escalations and there's always going to be something that comes out when the market is going in a favorable direction. But the overall momentum, the overall direction is still up. We are just getting started. I strongly believe that. And I'm not just saying that just to say it. I strongly believe that we are just getting started here in the crypto space for this bull cycle. And I think that there's lots of money left to be made. But you do obviously have to be in the right coins because there's just way too many coins out there now. So if you're in the wrong coins, and with coins that don't have any hype, no upcoming catalysts, not in the right narratives, then you're probably not going to see that much money. You'll probably see a little bit of gains, but I don't think you're going to see that much money in this bull cycle. So be careful, be very selective with the coins that you decide to put in your portfolio, because that's the difference between your neighbor making the life-changing gains and you making the life-changing gains. But let's get into some news for Zbcn network. So as you can see here, there's a new listing alert on Mexi, and that is Zbcn. So new USDC pair. They already had the USDT pair on Mexi, but now they're getting a USDC pair as well. And the community is obviously happy with that. You can read some of these comments. Go Zbcn, let's go. Zbcn, oh yes, Zbcn is about to melt faces. So investors are definitely happy to see that. I'm 1,000 happy to see that. Any news is good news as far as I'm concerned, right? But if we come over here and see what people have to say on X, we can see this person says Zbcn is going to $1. All you have to do is believe and just hodl. And, they love the community. Absolutely. Thing is, how about we get through 1 cent first and then start talking about 10 cents. And then after we break 10 cents, and then we start talking about the 50 cents and then $1. But it all depends on how the market is performing. If war escalations continue to happen and then Trump starts talking more about tariffs and all that sorts of stuff and, just more negative news, then we don't know how this bull cycle is going to actually turn out. But Zbcn has the potential to do some great things this bull cycle. That much I strongly believe in, right? Now, some other stuff here on X. I'll talk about this one in just a second. It looks like a new Zbcn meme coin was just created. All right, the last one didn't do so well. I'm going to show you guys the charts on that one in just a second, but check this out right here. Live on Circle's website as a partner is Zbcn Network. I mean, we already knew this, but I actually never went over to Circle's website, so this is actually kind of good to see. After I saw this posted on X, I obviously went and did further digging, and yeah, here it is right here, Circle's website, and Zbcn is listed right here under the partners. So if you go back, you can check the amount of partners that Circle have, and then if you just enter search partners or keywords, you type in Zbcn, and then it just pops up right here. So even though we already knew they already had a partnership going, it's just great to see on the website, definitely great to see. Now let's talk about the price action for Zbcn and what's going on with the price here. All right, so if we take a look here at the charts, yesterday we had a pretty great day. We went all the way up to 0.0047, and then war escalation and stuff like that happened, and then the entire market came down, and Zbcn came down with the market. But what's very good about what happened here is the price. It didn't crash. It just corrected a little bit. So the price is actually holding up pretty decent. As a matter of fact, if I check out, let's go over to CoinMarketCap. Let's see, do I have it pulled up? I don't have it pulled up. Let's type in CoinMarketCap here. All right, and see how Zbcn is looking on CoinMarketCap. Let's see here. So right now, Zbcn is up over 3% in the last 24 hours with a current market cap of 337 million. So the market is red today and Zbcn is up. If you guys watch my Zbcn video from just a couple days ago, I spoke about how funny it is how when the market is red, Zbcn wants to be green. And it's like we should expect, or it's almost like we're supposed to hope for red days just to see our Zbcn investment go up. It's kind of weird, very weird. But yeah, Zbcn is slightly up on the day, which is great to see. The price action is looking pretty decent as of right now. Of course, anything can happen. It can easily just turn around. But yeah, Zbcn is looking pretty strong. If we take in the crypto indicator here, let's see what has been fired recently. So just the buy zone that was fired just a couple days ago, and ever since that, nothing really. Let's see if a cup and handle formation can form here. I don't think it's going to form actually. But yeah, we're just a few days away from the unlock period, and last time after the unlock, Zbcn just exploded. So I'm hoping the same thing is going to happen here. This green candle that's forming right now could indicate a nice bullish move towards the upside. We're going to see how everything actually plays out with the charts here on Zbcn Network, but it's looking pretty decent as far as I'm concerned right now. Actually, if we quickly come back to CoinMarketCap, we can see that the volume is up over 53% on the day. So volume predicts price. So maybe this is really the beginning of a nice turnaround and nice move towards the upside. Okay. But again, we'll see how everything plays out. To end things though, I want to talk about this meme coin that's going on, man. Like, this is crazy. Another meme coin on Zbcn is nuts. The first meme coin that was created was this Zbcn one. Okay. It went all the way up to $2.33 million market cap at its peak, and then it came crashing down to 81,000. So this thing it's finished as far as I'm concerned. It's finished. Check out the volume, 40,000. I think that this meme coin is finished, right? And then this one was just created just recently, and it's sitting at 264,000. Recently went to a high of 617,000. And it looks like some Zbcn holders just aren't happy with these meme coins that's being created. Matter of fact, this one is down 40% in the last 24 hours. And yeah, the thing about these meme coins that's created is, yes, they could just be pump and dumps, but that's what just meme coins are. You get into these things, you make a quick buck. It's created on pump.fun. Like, pump.fun is known for rug pulls. So I don't really take any real offense. Some people, like if we go back here, this person says, at this point, Zbcn Sam should prosecute this guy for slandering their name and taking advantage of people. Second coin created, his intentions are clear. Avoid like plague, please spread the word. But it's just a meme coin. I say we just ignore it. Unless you want to take the risk. If you want to take the risk, take the risk. But yeah, meme coins are just meme coins. You're going to, if it's not this person creating the meme coin is going to be someone else that's creating a Zebek meme coin. It's just the space that we're in, right? So I just think the whole thing is funny. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.